How are you all doing? Ralphy, Ralph Customs again. The forwards job still in. The workaround is fantastic. Getting supplies. Who'd have thought ordering steel stock would be such a pain in the arse and take so long? Don't know. Anyway, quick catch up. Jocks has gone. Still waiting on powder coating and parts, you know, materials. And got a bit I need to get on with that, so I can get on with that next week. I'm still waiting for the other shit. Foot pegs came for this. A few more bits and bobs, no rush though. And I've got a quick little one in for tank lift, wire tuck, hypercharger, coil relocation, side mount. That's not bad memory off the top of my head. So that's next week, done, sorted. Finish that, do that. And look at this fucker. Look, we've done it. We've only fucking done it, haven't we? We've only cleaned it up. The base is still a bit dirty. There you go. We've cleaned it up. It works a treat. We're cutting stuff, we're measuring stuff. Everything's as it should be. Putting little chamfers on. Look, so I'm tempted to do a bit just to show you, but I can't do it with one hand. Whoever misses. So Harrison's in, wired, sorted. I put a little video. I did a quick one yesterday of it in action, if you like, when we very first got it wired up, and it's absolutely minging. It's filthy, but now it's a bit cleaner. Serviceable condition, I'd say, for light industrial, we'll call it. And that means that my baby, my little Atlas, in its cosy little place lock, can be used for little bits and bobs and my tattoo machines. So, job's a good one. There you go. Just a quick one. Really quick one. It's fucking long. Washing up because it's fucking frozen. It's that cold here, we've got no water. I daren't show you the toilet. Let's just say there's a lot of toilet duck on in there, if you know what I mean. Nothing solid, obviously. So we've wired it up. It's all sorted. It's in the process of giving it a clean up and sorting a few bits and bobs out. But I can honestly say that it runs. And it runs good. It's not too noisy. Everything works as it should. So far, so fucking good. Give it a bit. There you go. Flat out. No wrong with that. Job's a good one. I can't thank Ali, our Ada, and our Kev enough for their help today, sorting this out. It's taken me all day, but we've got air, it's all wired in, it's all sighted, it's all working. So there you go, you know. It's cold, I'm still doing vlogs. I'm waiting to finish that. His frame went out. If you follow me on the socials, you'll see Graham's frame. I remounted his seat and put some special mounts for he can run a police sprung audio welder. Proper sort of seat as well. It's got a choice of the two. So, but by far the main event is the Atlas. Fucking force of over. Look at the state of my face. I haven't just seen myself. Fucking hell, man. I've been cleaning it all day. Yodi Harrison done, sorted, in situ, ready to fucking rock and roll off. So stay tuned for lathe action, I guess. as and when I can, I'll record myself doing shit on there and you can follow along. Thanks for watching. Stay warm, stay safe. Lots of love, everyone. See you later. If I could...